My camera is alive. Don't ask me how. He's out of control.
Doing? Get out of the trash. That is disgusting. Oh my God.
I guess I'm just gonna have to teach him some manners. No! Bad camera! Bad camera! One, 2, 3, go! Boo! I don't think this is working. We need to try something else. Okay, let's hold our breath. Ready, set, go. Man, I hope that worked. I don't feel like I need to hiccup. Camera? Camera, you're turning blue. You can breathe now. Come on. Camera, breathe. What are you doing? What's happening? Oh no. Camera, did you CPR? Oh no, this isn't working. Oh my God. Oh, I have a battery, Camera, you're gonna be okay, You almost died. You didn't almost die? Well, which one is it? Oh no, they're back. Oh, you have them too? This sucks. I got rid of my hiccups. I figured it out. If you burp, you get rid of your hiccups. You're nice, smart. Come on, try it. Come here. Burp. Burp more. Burp harder. Burp with all you've got. You're gonna kill those hiccups. That's disgusting. But hey, you don't have your hiccups anymore, do you? Yay, perfect. Isn't it nice to be able to breathe again? I should be a doctor or a camera repair person. Oh, camera! You have the hiccups again! That's awful! I'm sure your hiccups! Run! Thank you, camera! Boo! I'm sorry you have the hiccups and I don't. I can fake have the hiccups for you. Hey! Well, if you're gonna be such a grump, I'll just go home and play video games. You don't want to play video games with me, do you? You do? Hey! You don't have the hiccups anymore. You're cured. We are free to go play some video games. Come on, let's go. Oh, hell. You want to play anyway? Come on, let's go.